Today I'm going to show you how to draw Roy G. Biv, just like in the song. The materials you'll need today will be a piece of paper, something to draw with, and some crayons if you're going to color it. The first thing you want to do is find the middle of your paper and draw one small rainbow line. That will be his nose. Next, we're going to draw the eyes. And to do that, you're going to draw two rainbow lines above the nose, and then draw one small circle and color it in underneath each rainbow line. Next, we're going to draw two bushy eyebrows, and I'm not going to draw all of the little hairs, I'm just going to draw the shape. And they kind of look like sideways teardrops. Next, we'll draw the mustache. So those are two sideways teardrops, just a little bit smaller, and then drawing a smiley line for the mouth. Now we'll draw two lines on both sides of his face, and then we'll connect the lines at the top and at the bottom, and try to curve your line a little bit as you're connecting them. Now you're going to draw a very tall upside down V for his hat. Then draw 8 lines inside of his hat. Those are going to be the rainbow lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Very important that there are 8 lines. Next, we're going to draw his beard. To do that, you're going to start with a zigzag line, and it's going to get a little bit smaller as it gets towards the top of his head. And then to add his ears, we're going to draw a C on one side, and on the other side, a backward C. And now you've drawn the face of Roy G. Biv. To finish his body, you're going to draw 2 lines, one on either side of the beard. Then you're going to connect them so they look like his legs or the jumpsuit that he's wearing. And to add the sleeves, we're going to add one hanging down that way so that it looks like his arms hanging down, and the other one is going to go in the opposite direction. And then we're going to add his hands, and you can just make bumpy lines. I didn't make mine very even. It's okay if they're not all the same size. And you're going to use the same bumpy lines for his feet. To draw his wand, you're going to draw a straight line in his hand. And then for the prism, this is a little bit tricky, but you're going to draw a V and then 2 lines on either side. And then another V just upside down for the top. And then you're going to draw a smaller upside down V in the middle there. And you'll connect them with a straight line. Do the same thing on the bottom, a V, and we're going to connect them with a straight line. And then you'll just connect the middle there. And there you have the prism. So after you have finished, you can add some fun lines showing that it's a really sparkly prism scepter that he has. And then you can go ahead and start coloring with anything that you have, either crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever you want to use. You can even paint it if you want to. And now we're going to color my favorite part, which is the rainbow on his hat. We're going to start with red. Now, if you ever have trouble remembering, I always like to actually write it out, Roy G. Biv, and that helps me remember the order of the rainbow. And now you've finished drawing Mr. Roy G. Biv. I hope you had fun today.